This video is all about richest countries by gold reserves. Slovenia with gold reserves of 3.17 tons. Mozambique with gold reserves of 3.94 tons. Bahrain with gold reserves of 4.67 tons. Colombia with gold reserves of 4.68 tons. Lithuania with gold reserves of 5.82 tons. Latvia with gold reserves of 6.66 tons. Tunisia with gold reserves of 6.84 tons. Macedonia with gold reserves of 6.89 tons. Guatemala with gold reserves of 6.89 tons. Myanmar with gold reserves of 7.27 tons. Mongolia with gold reserves of 7.35 tons. Nepal with gold reserves of 7.99 tons. Paraguay with gold reserves of 8.19 tons. Tajikistan with gold reserves of 8.46 tons. Ireland with gold reserves of 12.04 tons. Mauritius with gold reserves of 12.42 tons. Cyprus with gold reserves of 13.9 tons. Bangladesh with gold reserves of 14.28 tons. Nigeria with gold reserves of 21.37 tons. Morocco with gold reserves of 22.12 tons. Bolivia with gold reserves of 23.51 tons. Syria with gold reserves of 25.82 tons. Ecuador with gold reserves of 26.28 tons. Ukraine with gold reserves of 27.37 tons. Ghana with gold reserves of 30.53 tons. Slovakia with gold reserves of 31.69 tons. Peru with gold reserves of 34.67 tons. Kyrgyzstan with gold reserves of 38.13 tons. Malaysia with gold reserves of 38.88 tons. Bulgaria with gold reserves of 40.87 tons. Cambodia with gold reserves of 42.62 tons. Finland with gold reserves of 43.76 tons. Serbia with gold reserves of 48.15 tons. Kazakh Republic with gold reserves of 51.18 tons. Belarus with gold reserves of 54.02 tons. Argentina with gold reserves of 61.74 tons. Pakistan with gold reserves of 64.74 tons. Denmark with gold reserves of 66.55 tons. Jordan with gold reserves of 71.65 tons. United Arab Emirates with gold reserves of 74.66 tons. Indonesia with gold reserves of 78.57 tons. Kuwait with gold reserves of 78.97 tons. Australia with gold reserves of 79.87 tons. Romania with gold reserves of 104 tons. South Korea with gold reserves of 104 tons. Hungary with gold reserves of 110 tons. Qatar with gold reserves of 111 tons. Greece with gold reserves of 115 tons. Mexico with gold reserves of 120 tons. South Africa with gold reserves of 125 tons. Sweden with gold reserves of 126 tons. Egypt with gold reserves of 127 tons. Philippines with gold reserves of 128 tons. Brazil with gold reserves of 130 tons. Libya with gold reserves of 147 tons. Iraq with gold reserves of 153 tons. Algeria with gold reserves of 174 tons. Singapore with gold reserves of 220 tons. Belgium with gold reserves of 227 tons. Thailand with gold reserves of 235 tons. Austria with gold reserves of 280 tons. Spain with gold reserves of 282 tons. Kazakhstan with gold reserves of 284 tons. Lebanon with gold reserves of 287 tons. United Kingdom with gold reserves of 310 tons. Saudi Arabia with gold reserves of 323 tons. Uzbekistan with gold reserve of 383 tons. Portugal with gold reserves of 383 tons. Taiwan with gold reserve of 423 tons. Poland with gold reserves of 448 tons. Euro area with gold reserves of 507 tons. Netherlands with gold reserves of 612 tons. Turkey with gold reserves of 615 tons. Japan with gold reserves of 846 tons. India with gold reserves of 876 tons. Switzerland with gold reserves of 1040 tons. China with gold reserves of 2280 tons. Russia with gold reserves of 2336 tons. France with gold reserves of 2437 tons. Italy with gold reserves of 2452 tons. Germany with gold reserve of 3352 tons. United States with gold reserves of 8133 tons. Like this video and also subscribe this channel.